guys, Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Wanna Grow Old, I Won't Let Go by XXXTentacion. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or I will double punch you in the back of the head and break both your eyeballs off. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright guys, so this song is in standard tuning, and I'm going to show you how to play the actual guitar part that's in the song, as well as the chords that you can play underneath of it if you just want to strum and sing along to it. As always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description, as well as if you need the chord diagrams, they're in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free, I give it away in all the videos. It's got all the major chord diagrams in there, as well as a bunch of really useful information for you guys. So if you need either of those, jump into the video description. Once you get done, it's there for you. Now for what they're actually picking in the song, you're going to put your index finger on the 8th fret on the low E, and you're going to put your pinky on the 12th fret of the D string. You're just playing those two notes, and then you're going to come down to the 5th fret on the D string, and you're going to be playing the E string open. So we're starting here, going here. And then the only other thing that you need to know is they do a little pickup after playing. They play that 2 times through, and then it repeats. On the second time before it starts over again, they go to 5 on the E and the A, and then to 5 on the A, 4 on the D. It's a little pickup. And then it starts over. So the way they're picking it is you're starting with the D string, and you're picking D, E, D, E, D, E, D, and you're gonna kind of keep the fleshy part of your hand on the bridge of the guitar so it kind of palm mutes it. So where you can still hear the note, but it's slightly muted. So you're going D, E, D, E, D, E, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. So E, or D, E, D, E, D, E, D. Then go down to the 5th fret on the D, and you're going to do the same thing. D, E, D, E, D, E, D. D, E, D, E, D, E, D. D, E, D. Just D, E, D on the second one. Then you're going to that, just a down strum on the 5th fret of 5 on the E and 5 on the A. And you can kind of palm mute that too. And then one down strum palm muted on the 5 and 4 of the A and D. So again, so that is the picking pattern for what they're actually playing throughout the song. If you want to play the chords underneath of them so you can kind of like strum along and sing the song, you're going to do a C major chord, which is 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. Then you're going to need an E minor, which is 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. And then finally a D major, which is 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 2. Once you got those chords down, all you need is the strumming pattern. This is the one that I find that fits the best. It's going to be down, down, up, 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 down. And yeah, so that the chord progression is C, A minor, C, E minor, D, C. So down, down, up, 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 down, have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.